Hi everyone, it's Amy from Custom Vinyl Decor. I am going to be showing you today one of our most popular designs. It's the Aloha with the pineapple in the middle for the O. And I am loving this and wanted to just put it on this sign. I've had this sign ready for a few weeks now. It is bigger than what this actually is, but I'm going to be filling in with some painting and things at the bottom and along the sides. But I wanted to show you how to get this on, and I'm trying to add a little bit of aloha spirit to my home right now because our family was supposed to be going to Hawaii tomorrow for a much needed vacation, and that has been canceled. So I'm trying to fill in the gaps of our lack of aloha time that we will be getting, or not getting. Anyway, when you get your vinyl decal in the mail, you'll see it will have two layers. It will have this sticky transfer tape and then this backing. And on the back is the grid lines, so you'll be able to cut it down to the size that you need so that it's as close to the vinyl without cutting into the vinyl that you can get. So with that, I'm gonna start showing you how to peel it and place it down. Okay, what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've measured my design, not from the paper's edge, but from the widest point on the design to find the middle. And I've made a small mark at the top of my page. And then I've also found the center of my board. And so I'm gonna eyeball it as far as how far down I want it on the board. But now I have my marks that will line up, so it should be centered once I get that laid out on the board. What I will do is I will start peeling this, actually turn it over and start peeling the backing off, and that will allow the vinyl to stick to the transfer tape. And sometimes you can see right here it's starting to, it just will peel up a little bit, and that's okay. You just kind of press it back down. And use your fingers to get it to stay on the transfer paper. There's some little pieces in this pineapple, and so that's to be expected to have it want to stay on the backing. This is kind of a waxy feel, and even though this is sticky, it's been stuck to this longer than it's been stuck to the transfer tape because this is what the vinyl comes on and it's cut out on, and we weed it, and then the transfer tape gets put on after it's cut and weeded. So don't be surprised if little pieces tend to want to stick to this instead of the transfer tape. It's totally normal, and you just work with it to get it to stick to the transfer tape. And so you just work with it to get this backing off. Okay, I've got the backing off now, and I am going to turn this over and kind of eyeball it and line it up with my center mark here, making sure that the top is lined up. As long as you don't press down hard, it's really easy to reposition this. And once it's down, I just kind of work with my fingers, or sometimes I'll have a credit card. I forgot to bring my credit card down here to press this on. So we're gonna just work with this to get this to stick, get the vinyl to stick. And I will show you the finished product in just a second. Okay, now that I have pressed it down really good, I'm just gonna start peeling back this transfer tape and working with the vinyl to get it to stick. And this got a little bit wrinkled, but that's okay because the vinyl is really forgiving, and we'll be able to just get those bubbles right out. It just takes a little bit of patience as you work with it, especially these small pieces on the pineapple. It looks like maybe I had a little bit of dust right in here. I can kind of feel it that I didn't get off. I had wiped this down, but I think I missed a spot. But anyway, as you work with it, it's super easy to work with. You can lift it up and put it back down, and it will just stick down. pause this for a second while I work with this to get these to stick, and then I will show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, I got all the pieces down. There's a couple spots that just need to be, pushed down a little bit and rubbed down, but they will stick. And I just love this. This is stunning on this navy blue background, and I can't wait to get this sign finished. I don't know if it's hard to see, but I absolutely love the gold on the navy blue. It is so, so pretty. So we would love for you to come and visit us at CustomVinylDecor.com. We have this design in so many colors, bright colors, metallics, muted colors, whatever you would like, and it comes in lots of different sizes. We have hundreds of designs on our website. We'd love for you to come visit us. We have people standing by, and we also ship your order within 1 business day. Our fulfillment team is awesome. They get everything cut and shipped out to you within 1 business day of receiving your order. So come visit us at CustomVinylDecor.com. Thanks.